Today, we are creating a telephone voice effect.
This will make your audio sound like it's coming from an old school phone call.
Let's jump right in. First, import your audio into the timeline and head over to the Fairlight tab for full control over the sound. Now, select your audio clip and double click on the Equalizer section. This opens up a detailed control panel where we can shape the sound. From here, look for the general telephone preset and select it. This instantly applies the classic telephone effect, cutting out low and high frequencies to give that muffled, distant sound. Go ahead and play your audio. You'll hear the difference immediately. If needed, tweak the frequencies manually to fine tune the effect to your liking. And that's it.
You've successfully created a telephone voice effect in DaVinci Resolve.
Perfect for phone conversations, flashbacks, or stylized voiceovers. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick DaVinci Resolve tips.